My name is Natalie, aka SM.GLAMBEAUTY, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you're not new, then welcome back. Thanks for being here. So for today's video, I'll be unbagging the IPSY Glam bag for October, which looks like this. Oh my god, guys, look at this bag. Isn't it so cute? And then in the back it says, "You're magic." It's so fitting with October and, you know, Halloween theme and stuff like that. I think this is like one of the best bags, like the bag itself. I also am gonna show you the items that I added on to my bag, and I know I have to stop adding stuff to my bag, but it's kind of hard because almost all the things are like half priced or like more than half priced. So yeah, I go a little ham sometimes, and I need to be stopped. If you guys are interested on what I received this month and what I think about this month's bag, then just keep on watching. Ooh, that was my bone. Y'all heard that? Y'all heard that crack? Ooh. Anyways, let's get on to the video. Let me put some lip balm on because my lips be chapped. I know y'all see it. I'm doing you guys a favor by putting some lip balm on because... Okay guys, so let's just dig in. The first thing that I received this month is this, and this is the TRÈSTIQUE Define Sculpt and Set Brow. Oh snap, I forgot to use this. So this comes with eyebrow pencil and eyebrow gel, and I totally forgot to use the gel. So let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, not bad, not bad. This retails for $24, and the only thing I have to say is that I feel like it's a little too warm for my face, and this is the shade Espresso. I'm not sure if this is the darkest, but if it is, it's a little warm for me. And also when I started using it, you just have to like warm it up in your hand a little bit because it was a little stiff and it was a little hard in the beginning to use it, but once it's warmed up, it's not that bad. So the next thing in the box is this, and I use this on my eyes today and also on my cheeks because it is a vegan eyeshadow and blush palette by SERAPHINE Botanicals, and this retails for $42, and this is what it looks like inside. I swatched the shimmers and the two blushes for you guys, and I'll post them up here, and honestly, I think it's okay. Would I purchase this for $42? I think not. But I really do like the shade that I have on. It's called Carb. I really like the shade. Like, it was really pigmented and really shimmery, and I'm all about that. You guys know I love a good shimmer. Okay, so the next thing in the bag this month is this, and this is the Tarte Double Duty Shape Tape Setting Powder, and this retails for $34. Now, the claims for this powder is that it's supposed to blur lines, large pores, it's supposed to mattify your skin, and it's supposed to lock in foundation and concealer for hours. When I put it on my under eyes, I felt like my under eyes got a little dark. I don't know if you guys saw it on camera. I don't know if it picked up on camera, but I feel like my under eyes are a little dark, and me no likey that. So I'm not sure how I feel about this powder. So the next thing in my bag is this, and this is the CIATÉ London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. So I thought I already had this, that's why I didn't use it on my face. I actually looked for the other powder, and I noticed after I did my makeup that this one is the Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder, and this is just the Extraordinary Translucent Powder. I thought they were the same. They looked the same to me. But yeah, sorry about that. I'll definitely try it another day, and I'll let you guys know what I think. Maybe I'll do a video, like a get ready with me using some products that I recently purchased. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Oh, that retails for $22. Last but not least is this, and this is the HAUS Laboratories. Sorry, I had to laugh there because I've been struggling saying HAUS Laboratories because I do watch Kathleen Lights and she pronounces it like HAUS Laboratories. So I want to say it like that, but that's not how it's really pronounced. So I kind of struggle. So it's HAUS Laboratories. You see? Oh my gosh. Anyways, so this is the last thing in my bag this month, and I have it on my lips right now. And guys, I was really skeptical. I was just like, you guys know that I'm not a huge fan of dark lips. It's just, I don't know, like I don't know, I stick to my nudes. It's my comfort zone, but honestly, I'm liking this. This retails for $18. The only thing that I have to say about this is that when you're applying it, it doesn't like equally apply. Some areas are patchy. That kind of happens with dark lip glosses and stuff like that. So that completes what was in my bag. I did add on a few things and I want to share that with you guys. So the first thing that I picked up was this. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA plus BHA Pore-Tight Toner. Guys, I really like this brand, Glow Recipe. I have their avocado sleeping mask, I have their watermelon sleeping mask, I have their pineapple brightening serum, and now I have this. And guys, I'm really a fan. Like, I feel like my skin loves this brand, which is awesome. And this retails for $15. The next thing that I got is this little thing. This is the Benefit Gimme Brow Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. I didn't use this today because I used the TRÈSTIQUE one. So the next thing that I purchased was this, and this is the Blemish Patch. So it's supposed to target impurities without drying out the surrounding area. It's supposed to absorb excess pus and oil, minimizing the appearance of blemishes while acting as a protective cover. Easy peel packaging, designed for sanitary application and safe for daily use. So basically, if you have a pimple, you could just put one of these patches on there and it's supposed to work its magic and then, you know, get rid of the pimple. I was just intrigued by this, and I do want to compare this to the Mighty Patch because I did get that too. But yeah, and this was only $3, I believe, so I was like, you know what, why not? It's only $3. The next thing that I got was this. This is the Sunday Riley C.E.O. 15% Vitamin C Brightening Serum. And I heard a lot of good things about this brand, Sunday Riley, and I actually tried one of their masks, like face mask, and I loved it. Unfortunately, they did not have the face mask available, so I bought this instead, and I really want to try it out. So this is supposed to target and quickly fight the look of dullness, dark spots, and discolorations at the source while diminishing the first signs of aging. So basically, it's supposed to give your skin more life and look plumpier and stuff like that, and also it brightens, and I need that because I have a lot of dark marks right here because of my acne scars. Yeah, I'm really intrigued and I hope this works. And I think I got this for $18 and it retails for $85. So the next and last thing that I purchased is this, and this is the Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions palette. I wanted to try her formula and this was only $9, I believe. It was either $9 or $12. So I picked it up and I really want to try this. Like, yeah, I'm excited for it. And I do have a green look coming up, so I thought, perfect, I could use some shades in this palette if I need to. Okay, so the total value of this month's bag, excluding the extra stuff that I bought, is $140. Again, I feel like that's amazing. Like, this month I didn't really mind my box. Again, I chose 3 out of the 2 items and I'm not mad at it, guys. I am not mad at it. So yeah, it's a good month and I really do like this bag. By the way, I know I haven't been saying it in my recent videos, but I am still having my 500 subscriber giveaway, which is when I reach 500 subscribers, I'm gonna have a giveaway, and all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel. Make sure your subscription is public, so that way when I choose a winner, I can make sure that you are subscribed. And yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!